We are at the train station here in Rossio, Lisbon. We will go out here because it's nearer to the Avenida da Liberdade. We will roam around there first. Just go out to the train station and you'll see the nice lookout as well here. Look at that, the balcony with the view. And you see, of course, the South George Castle. You can reach here also by metro, Rossio metro. It's nice. Now it's time for us to walk nearby here in the Avenue da Liberdade or the Liberty Avenue, the main luxury shopping street here in Lisbon. It is considered among the most expensive streets in Europe. The avenue was built in 1879 when the former park was turned into a major boulevard. Inhabitants of Lisbon simply called as the Avenida or the Avenue. So more walking going down, we end up here near in the Rossio Square again. Another sightseeing during daytime because last night some of the shops are closed. There's one over here, it's nice. What is this? Well, going to Barrio Alto, there is two ways. You can easily walk there, or another more charming way is to reach by taking the historical tram 28, of course, which routes through this district. I think we are somewhere in Kiado Square. We were here last night. The tram 28 stops here. We go out here since it's nearby the Barrio Alto. From here, we will walk around. Look how many passengers is waiting to ride. Literally, upper neighborhood or Barrio Alto. It's at the top of the hill and is the most recent of Lisbon's old quarter. Laid out in 1513, it was the city's first planned district with a small grid of narrow streets, as you can see, outside the medieval wall. In the past, it was the neighborhood of merchants and aristocrats, but by the late 1800s, it was home to several newspapers' offices. Then came the bars to serve the journalists who left work late at night. Soon, Barrio Alto became the synonyms with the bohemian lifestyle, and by the 1980s, it was where everyone went to in the late hours, creating shots parties every Friday and Saturday night. Of course, during the day, like now, it's a sleepy place which not much open except for a few shops. And you see a few older residents hanging laundry on their balconies. Strolling around the area during the day or at night will give you two completely different feelings. Tourists also come here for dinner or a show at the several fado restaurants later in the evening. Famous for being the heart of the nightlife of Lisbon, Barrio Alto is a distinct full of history as well. Since nothing much to see in the morning here in Barrio Alto, so we decided to go to walk again, going to Santa Justa elevator and see the view from above. trying to go in the Brasilia Ducado. Walking, more walking. We were here last night as well because they have a beautiful Christmas decoration around, also in their street here. Look at that. Nice. So now we're heading to the elevator that way. Here we are. We have arrived here in Santa Justa elevator or lift. Oh my, we have to fall in line. The queue is quite long as usual. I think this queue we have to wait like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Okay, our turn to go up. Using Lisbon card 24 hours, it's free to come up. You don't have to pay 6 euros. Finally, we are at the top. Oh my, look at that. Amazing view of Lisbon city facing the Tagus River. I think we have 180 degrees here. The Santa Justa lift is the fastest way to get from the Bairro neighborhood to the Barrio Alto district, where we were earlier, strolling around in the sleepy place. Venus. It also has a stunning observation deck at the top of this, but it's closed today, and it's offer magnificent views over Baisa. Since this elevator was open to the public, it was become one of the most popular viewpoints in Lisbon. You can see, look at that, you see the nice view. Elevator schedule May to October. It's from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. During winter, it's 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now it's time for us to go this way. This angle here. Historically, it was an invaluable part of Lisbon's public transport network, but today it is the primary tourist attraction. This sadly means there will always be a long queue to ride to the top. It took us like 30 minutes to ride. If you want to ride the lift for tourist experience, I think it is better to ride it early in the day before 9:30 a.m. or like after the sunset before closing time. The rear of the lift walking leads around the ruins of the Igreja do Carmo church to the Largo do Carmo, a traditional and charming place. We will go there later. Lift was inaugurated as one of the city's public transport system in the 10th of July 1902 and was called Elevador do Carmo or Carmo lift. Later on, we're not going to take the elevator going down. We're gonna walk there. There is a walkway from here at the top going down there. Oh, there's a restaurant here or a snack bar. You can see, okay, a bacalhau pastre, typical Portuguese food. Let's see what's inside. Pastel de bacalhau. They have also pastel de nata, and they have this too, made of bacalhau, a cod fish. It's nice. There is indoor, or if you want to eat outdoor, there are tables. Vinos, come here. This way, Vinos. Oh, take me picture here. So nice. It's also amazing from here. Look at that, you see. Nice to take some photos from here in this angle. Okay, we had enough of the view of Lisbon. Let's walk that way. We are now around the Largo do Carmo. It's a nice neighborhood as well. Look, they have a small plaza here fronting the museum. But we will just stay here in the plaza. Later on, we will head back. Going to the elevator, we will find the stairs. I don't know where is the stairs. Let's go back. We're going down through the stairway. It's nice, the view. This is the deck where there is a restaurant or drinking place. Nice place to chill out. We are back here down. I think we are somewhere in Rossio again. Yes, we are in the Rossio Square. We will catch our metro here going back to the hotel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.